John Nash was a Nobel Prize-winning mathematician who made significant contributions to the field of game theory, which has had a profound impact on economics, political science, and other social sciences. Nash's most famous contribution to game theory is the Nash equilibrium, a solution concept that predicts the outcome of non-cooperative games in which each player is assumed to know the strategies of the other players. Let's take a closer look at what the Nash equilibrium is. It's a theoretical concept that predicts the outcome of a game in which each player's strategy is based on the assumption that they know the strategies of all other players. Think of it like this: imagine you're playing a game of chess. You're trying to anticipate your opponent's next move, and your opponent is doing the same. The Nash equilibrium predicts the outcome of this game, where both players are making their best possible move, given what they know about the other's strategy. So, how does the Nash equilibrium apply outside of board games? Well, it's actually very important in economics and business. For example, in a market with multiple firms, the Nash equilibrium can predict the pricing strategies that each firm will use, based on their knowledge of the other firm's strategies. It's also used in political science to analyze strategic interactions between countries, such as negotiations or conflicts. The Nash equilibrium can predict the outcome of these interactions, based on the assumption that each country is making their best possible decision, given what they know about the other country's strategies. But what does this mean in practical terms? Well, let's take an example from the business world. Imagine two firms in a market, Firm A and Firm B. Both firms want to maximize their profits. They can do this by setting their prices as high as possible, but they also have to consider what the other firm is doing. If Firm A knows that Firm B is setting their prices high, then Firm A might decide to set their prices slightly lower to attract more customers. This is an example of a Nash equilibrium. Each firm is making the best possible decision, given what they know about the other firm's strategy. The beauty of the Nash equilibrium is that it can be applied to any strategic interaction, not just games or business scenarios. It's a powerful tool for understanding how individuals, companies, or countries will behave in a given situation, based on their knowledge of the other party's strategies. John Nash's work on the Nash equilibrium has had a profound impact on many fields, from economics to political science. His contributions to game theory have helped us understand complex strategic interactions in a new and insightful way. In conclusion, the Nash equilibrium is a concept from game theory that predicts the outcome of strategic interactions, where each party is making their best possible decision based on their knowledge of the other party's strategies. It's a powerful tool for understanding complex scenarios, and has had a profound impact on fields such as economics and political science. So next time you're playing a game of chess, remember the Nash equilibrium. It just might help you anticipate your opponent's next move. And who knows? It might even help you win the game.